miss? Anything?
Of course you didn't miss anything.
What do you got?
Look here, eat your heart out. That's a real diamond.
What? It's beautiful.
Oh my son.
Oh man.
I got some Legos.
Okay.
I got some plastic bags.
Ooh, those are nice.
You can have if you want them.
Nah, I think I have a ton of those that size.
And I got a digital timer.
All right.
That's it.
We're off to the races then, huh? All right, we got Gwenny back on the channel today. She's very excited. You gonna look at the shoes?
No.
What do you think about that? Do you want to be the designated chicken finder today?
Sure.
That's a duck.
You sure?
I think.
I found some chicken. It's chicken.
What the heck is that? That's a chicken, isn't it?
That's a chicken?
Pretty sure.
Wow.
You know what the state bird is?
Huh?
A cardinal. See if they got our boys on here. We got the Boston.
Where's the F's?
They didn't do it. They did get the pug on there though. Just be cautious about where you're sticking your hands. Some hokas? Corn cob.
Well, that's
Look at that.
you need that.
That's pretty cool. It's a snake. Oh. Will you put this on?
Don't put it on.
Look at that one. You know, every time I bring somebody here, I never find anything, so.
Wow.
Well, we're off to a great start.
Is it a chicken? It's chicken.
Yeah, I think.
You're being sarcastic.
I'm always sarcastic. What are you talking about? Never serious, right, Gwen?
Yeah, sure.
It totally sucked. Nice board.
You want those?
No,
Up to
I'm about cork balls.
cork balls.
They are cork.
What is that for?
I have no idea.
It's weird. Well, guess we'll go back down to the end and try again. We're gonna start over down there.
Don't worry.
Come on. Teddy. So much stitch everywhere. What was that? You know him?
No.
Teddy.
What is even this?
TENS unit. It like you stick this somewhere on your body and it will send like an electric pulse. It's for therapy. Yeah.
Be little bitty.
No, it's new. It's a new one. Oh. Whoops.
One eternity later.
This might be an in and out today. She found it. Ooh. Oh.
No candle.
Hey. This. Remember him? You remember watching him when you were a little baby? If you want to be on Bryce's good side, you gotta go give him this. Go give that to Bryce. Come on, you have to be initiated if you're gonna come in here. Come on. Don't be scared of him. Here.
You do.
Just go hand it to him. He's right there. Say, hey Bryce. Say it.
Hey.
Yeah.
Doing better than I am.
Good job. My Little Pony. Put those on real quick.
You do it.
Put them on.
No.
Look, if you're gonna come with me over here, you're gonna have to do the things that I tell you to do. Look.
It's chicken. Chicken.
What you doing?
Picking up these small Legos.
You know they're not real, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Only brass I found is what your daughter found for me.
I told her, I was like, if you want to be initiated into the crew, you got to give Bryce brass.
Yes. That or diamonds.
Diamonds, yeah. Or copper. Still here, nobody wanted them.
Came back for you.
I like turtles.
I don't like snakes.
One eternity later.
Shoes. You like shoes?
No.